It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Friday, the 27th of December. I'm Michael Groff. A cloudy, cool, and wet start to the day once again here in the valley. Rain will be likely throughout the day today, off and on. We'll see the clouds decrease tonight. The weekend looks pretty good, other than some patchy morning fog. Next week, the clouds return, and another small chance we could see some light rain across the valley. How long do these below normal temperatures last? When might we see a warm up? And what about the weather for the new year? Let's talk about it. First, the almanac from yesterday. 61 degrees was the high in the valley, 44 the morning low. We picked up 13/100ths of an inch of rain officially in the bucket at Sky Harbor. Still about 2 inches behind on rainfall for the year, though. Outside now at 7:45 a.m., cloudy skies, some light rain coming down, 48 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 43, humidity 81%. The winds are light, and the barometer is rising. Temperatures out there this morning, it's in the 30s up on Thompson Peak, but just about all of us across the metro are sitting in the 40s right now with some scattered showers. The upper air look, you can see why we have that unsettled weather still, an area of low pressure moving across the southwestern United States, a broad trough, and that is going to bring about more rain and mountain snows. The watch warning map, we've got winter storm watches and warnings for the northern and central plain states, as well as across parts of northern and eastern Arizona. Winter weather advisories continue there. The convective outlook for today, a marginal risk of severe storms around Lubbock and Plainview, Texas. Risk of thunder here across southern and southeast Arizona as we are in the green. But any thunderstorms that we see today should be fairly isolated in nature. Here's the precipitation outlook valid through next Friday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix generally under 1/4 of an inch, although one or two spots could see more than that if you get parked under an isolated thunderstorm. And we'll take a look at the details of what's going on with this bizarre weather pattern as we check out the models. Have a look at it. This is the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. That upper low is now transitioning into more of an open wave type system as it moves across Arizona today, so that means it's weakening. Down at the surface, cloudy skies this morning, rain likely, mostly light rain. Then we'll see mostly cloudy skies this afternoon, maybe a couple of peaks of sun. And an isolated thunderstorm also possible, and given the cold air that we have aloft, might even see some small hail in the stronger storms. High temperatures today should be mostly in the mid-50s. Tonight, slight chance of rain in the evening, then we become partly cloudy overnight, some patches of fog developing after midnight. Lows mostly in the upper 30s to mid-40s, and then tomorrow, patchy fog in the morning, otherwise partly sunny, high temperatures getting into the mid and upper 50s. Now on Sunday, we've got another low that begins to descend down the west coast. That's not going to affect us in the short term. Sunday looks like just patchy fog in the morning, partly sunny in the afternoon. High temperatures again are in the low and middle 50s as the cool air hangs on here across the southwest. Now as we go to Monday, this low is now sitting off the Southern California and northern Baja coast. Some moisture is on the increase. I think the day on Monday is actually cloudy, and there could even be some isolated showers, especially in the afternoon here in Phoenix. But even if we see some rain, it would be on the light side, and it would be fairly widely scattered. Also, high temperatures will still hold below average, likely staying in the mid and upper 50s. We could get close to 60, I suppose. Tuesday, mostly cloudy skies continue, and this run of the GFS is actually a little bit more bullish with moisture showing this low tracking just a little bit further to the north, right along the international border as opposed to south of it. Therefore, we could see some showers lingering on here for New Year's Eve. High temperatures would still be in the mid and upper 50s. Now, as for Tuesday night, bringing in the new year, looks like partly cloudy skies and temperatures should be mostly in the 40s. Now, New Year's Day, the morning hours, the low temperatures will likely be in the 30s, high temperatures in the mid and upper 50s with partly sunny skies. And again, some of the ensemble guidance suggests there might be a shower or two for New Year's Day, but at this point, we're going to keep the forecast dry. And then Thursday looks dry, also with mostly sunny skies and high temperatures getting back into the low 60s. Here's a week from today. This is Friday, the 3rd of January. A 588 ridge sitting off to the west now. That's building in across the southwest. Temperatures would be warming up. We'd be back closer to normal. And then going out 10 days to the end of the forecast period. This is Sunday, January the 5th. How about a 591 ridge just sitting off to our south and east? Temperatures would be well above average if this is correct. But again, there's quite a bit of model spread and forecast uncertainty way out here toward 10 days, as you would expect. Still, it does appear that drier and warmer weather is in the offing after we get to the new year. All right, speaking of temperatures through the period off of the GFS ensemble, Highs staying below average for the next several days, likely into at least the middle part of next week. And then we'll start a warming trend as we get to the new year and beyond. And temperatures may actually wind up being just a little bit warmer than what's shown here beyond that. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. If you enjoy our videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Be safe out there. You guys have yourselves a great Friday and a wonderful weekend.